Hey, welcome back. It's Christine Regan Lake, and I'm glad to be here and glad to have you here as well. So, I want to just quickly get on here and pose a challenge to you, and I call it the Love It Forward Challenge. Now, there's two ways you can do the Love It Forward Challenge. You can either do this for people in your intimate circle that you want to express your love for them and to just show them how much you love and cherish them in your life. Or you could do it for a nonprofit organization that you feel committed to. So, what this is you want to sit down and you want to think of three people or three organizations that you want to spread a little love to. Love it forward, right? And so this kind of came about for me because several years ago, I had listened to a talk about a woman who, when she was feeling lonely in the city, she decided to start sending little love letters to just strangers, or she would pick a name out of the phone book and mail a love letter, hand like love letters out to strangers in the street and stuff like that. And I did it for a number of years on my birthday, and then what I ended up finding out, kind of like just naturally, organically happened was, there were people in my sphere who just, when I'd see them on Facebook, their energy, their posts, and their photos were always such a bright light to me that I just spontaneously would feel just this huge heart, feeling of wanting to do something for them, to say thank you, to love it forward. Not that they had done anything for me specifically, but just that I cherished their light in this world. And so, I would just, kind of spontaneously feel moved, and, I would send them a painting of one of mine, or a book, or a piece of jewelry that I made. So what I want you to do is I want you to think of three people in your sphere of influence. And they don't even have to be like intimate people that are like really in your inner circle. These could be just people that you are in maybe your news feed, or they're at the local grocery store or the gas station, whatever. These are three people that whenever you interact with them, whenever you come into contact with them, whether it's in physical presence or it's, just maybe on, Facebook, they're one of your friends of a friends of a friends that somehow got connected to you, and all of their posts are uplifting or whatever. I would like to encourage you to, in the next 30 days, find those three people or the three organizations that you feel committed to, that you want to help, and send them something, a poem, a handwritten note, maybe something you made, applesauce that you made, or a barbecue sauce, something that is handmade from you, that comes from your heart, that you want to and wish to share with them. So I hope you take me up on that challenge, and I look forward to speaking with you again soon. Thanks. Take care. Bye-bye.